Hello folks. In this video I will show you good tips of yogurt for weight loss. Research has shown that people who have been consuming yogurt for losing weight have been successful in their attempts to do so. However, eating yogurt to lose weight also means that one has to cut down on other calories and should do some exercise as well. Let us look at why eating yogurt for weight loss is so effective. How does yogurt benefit in weight loss? One of the most important benefits of yogurt in weight loss is that it helps you to lose weight around the waist or stomach area. Yogurt is a dairy product which is high in calcium and protein, but it is also, more importantly, low in calories and fat too. Protein and calcium should be included in any weight loss plan. Protein helps to keep hunger at bay and helps to build muscle as well. Calcium helps to increase the metabolism, break down body fats, as well as build strong bones. Types of yogurt to reduce weight. You might think that opting for a low-calorie, low-fat yogurt is a healthy option. Unfortunately, such yogurts are full of artificial sweeteners and may even contain plenty of sugar. Some so-called low-fat yogurts also contain high fructose corn syrup, which is not healthy as well. Perhaps the best option would be the Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt contains 90 calories and about 7 grams of sugar. If you cannot find Greek yogurt, opt for a yogurt that contains no more than 1 gram of fat and less than 130 calories with each serving. Yogurt is an excellent source of diet. It is good for fat burning and weight lose and trim your tummy. Yogurt improves digestion and help in weight reduction. Yogurt improves bone strength and healthy heart. Yogurt enhances immunity and makes skin healthy and shiny. It keeps digestive system healthy and it's good food for pregnant women. It makes the teeth stronger and healthier. Yogurt relieves constipation, diarrhea and inflammatory bowel disease. I hope this video is beneficial for you and you enjoys this video. I wish you good health. Have a nice day.